when you just start this bowl. So when you just start this, you say, alright, but this not money no more.
It's not funny. It's honestly not funny. Seeing you with a man who is actually taking you for granted. Seeing him with multiple partners. You deserve much better than this.
I never ask you if you been a private investigator for me, Kev. I never ask you if you do none of this.
You remember when I tell you that I have to save you from yourself? This is exactly what I meant. You're making a huge mistake.
Yeah, Kev, but it's my mistake for me. You know what my biggest mistake is? Allowing you to come back.
Patricia, you see the fantasy that you're living in? It is not real. Look here. You see when I just came back, you was all rosy and all. Now you have lost all the petals. What is wrong with you?
What do you mean by that?
You know, see you look stressed. And I am not in your life. So I'm sure it's not me.
You know why my problem? You know why my problem? You are my problem. From me come back, you stress me out. But yes, if you leave me alone and for the life of me, I can't understand why you still stop me. Why you keep on and do this? You are the real problem, Kev. I'm sick and tired of this.
Patricia, you know what you're doing right now? You're deflecting. You're trying to take this whole scenario and paint me as the bad guy. Every single thing that I have done in your favor, you deemed it to be bad and reflecting bad on me. I go look for your mother. You said that I am a bad person. I went as far as giving you a Valentine's Day gift. I am deemed a bad person. I got all solid proofs of the multiple women your boyfriend cheating on you with. And you still find me to be the problem? Patricia, the way I see it, you have several problems. And I am not one.
Kev, what you really gonna tell my mother say? You tell my mother say you are married to me? Kev, me and you have any discussion about marriage? Me and you have any talks about being together?
I mean, she was excited to see me, but she might have exaggerated the truth somewhat. For what I did say was, if we were together, we would have been married already. And Patricia, you brag about this man as if to say, you know, he's the best, but he has never proposed to you. Wait, let me not say that. Has he? Oh, wait.
Me did tell you say me interested in a marriage, sir.
Wow. Really though, Patsy? I really this you come to? I mean, we was talking about marriage from we were 7. And now what?
That and then this and now marriage now where?
Wow. So Patsita, you're really willing to put the common in a common law just to prove to me that you're comfortable? You do realize though, Patsita, that your man does not view you as wife material?
You know I want more than anything right now, okay?
What is that? To be my wife?
For you to leave me alone.
Patsita. And that will never happen. You think me feel good if no say the boy I treat you like shit? And I'm supposed to accept that? When me did promise you, say, I'm gonna take care of you from your youth. Now you're comfortable with that? That will never happen. Sita, you have a man in your life who not take care of you. You work at a beauty salon, for crying out loud. And look at you. You're not being beautified. Your nails are not done. Patsy, if we were ever together, this would never happen. And this will never happen. I guarantee that.
Kev, just please, leave me alone.
Leave you alone? Here what go happen. You are gonna leave him alone. Or else nobody not gonna save. Not you, not him, not even your mother.
Kev, please, leave my mother alone.
Not do your mother nothing. Not yet.
Mommy? No, Mama, alright. Yeah, Mama, just I check if you alright.